Starting with QUESTRA, it's definitely not new. This is the version 1.3 that we're releasing at this year's ISC 25. And this year we're coming with a really big update. We're actually introducing logic to QUESTRA. So we're making the software actually make the devices a little more smarter than they are. Logic is the thing that actually gives some brains to the whole system. It lets the whole system work more independently by itself. So with logic, we are introducing the typical logical nodes and functions like the AND, OR, XOR, but we're also introducing the typical nodes such as calendar. So now I can build up presets as I could have with versions 1.1 and 1.2, but until now I had to trigger them with my finger, and now I can tell QUESTRA to trigger it at a certain day, at a certain time. It can also repeat in some time intervals when is it triggering this preset. And the best thing of all is that we have network command. So now we can control third-party control devices using several protocols, TCP, UDP, HTTP, and this allows us to control some Cameo fixtures, for example. Cameo, another brand from the Adam Hall Group. So yes, we can control now lights. We can also add some GPIO boxes with relays, serial control RS-232, which allows us to control also some HDMI switches. So now we can actually, with QUESTRA, control not just audio, we can also control light and video. Well, in a way, we are saving definitely a lot of time, because we do have this feedback from our customers that sometimes the system is not running smooth, everything is working fine, but we have people operating the system. Sometimes it happens that they just forget to turn on one device or to select a certain preset, and if the system is not running, the system is bad, right? So this way we eliminate this error, let's say, so we let the system run by itself and work more independently. Let's say when we now show the system to our customers, we do it now separately. We show audio, how we can control it, we show the lights, how they're controlled, and the video. And then we say now with the calendar node, what I can do is I can say from Monday to Friday, I want the morning scene running at 8 in the morning. So I want this device to play this playlist, the lighting to be set up in this kind of mood, and on the screen I want to see this video. And at 12 I want something completely different, and at night I want a third version of the system, and then I would like at night for the system just to shut down, the whole system down until next day. What we offer is a much more simple solution, and we make that whole program do complex things in an easy way, not just for the integrator and the installer, but also for the end user. So controlling the system is really, really easy, and configuring the whole system is even easier. It's definitely a success for us because we are still a small company in this integrated systems world, and we have to listen to the people. We have to listen to what our customers need and what they say. And when we get their attention, that means that we definitely did the right thing. And that's exactly what we will be doing with QUESTRA 1.3.